Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey to Italy, where traditional flavors meet healthy choices? Exploring healthy Italian cuisine is your passport to the world of Italian food, reimagined to prioritize wellness without sacrificing taste. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the vibrant and delectable world of healthy Italian cooking and discover how it can enhance your culinary adventures. 1. The allure of Italian gastronomy. In the opening paragraph, introduce the irresistible charm of Italian cuisine, known for its rich flavors and comforting dishes. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide will reveal how healthy twists on classic Italian recipes can tantalize the taste buds. 2. Balancing flavor and nutrition. Begin by discussing the idea of balancing flavor and nutrition in Italian cooking. Emphasize the use of fresh ingredients, herbs, and olive oil as key elements that make Italian cuisine inherently healthy. 3. The Mediterranean diet connection. Delve into the Mediterranean diet, of which Italian cuisine is a significant part. Explain how this diet is associated with numerous health benefits, including heart health and longevity. 4. The role of pasta and grains. Explore the role of pasta and grains in Italian cuisine. Describe how whole grain options and portion control can make these dishes both satisfying and nutritious. 5. The abundance of vegetables. Share insights into the abundance of vegetables in Italian cooking. Discuss the versatility of vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, and eggplant, and how they are used to create flavorful, healthful dishes. 6. Protein, seafood, and lean meats. Discuss the inclusion of protein in Italian dishes. Explain how seafood and lean meats, such as grilled fish and chicken, are staples that provide essential nutrients. 7. Healthy Italian cooking techniques. Provide an overview of healthy Italian cooking techniques, like grilling, steaming, and roasting, which enhance the flavor of ingredients without adding excessive fats. 8. A lifelong love for healthy Italian cuisine. Conclude with the idea that exploring healthy Italian cuisine isn't just about a single meal, it's a lifelong love affair with balanced and delicious food. Encourage readers to see Italian cooking as a culinary adventure filled with healthful delights. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the beauty of healthy Italian cuisine but will also be inspired to explore these culinary traditions in their own kitchens. Exploring healthy Italian cuisine is a journey into the world of culinary wisdom, where every Italian-inspired dish becomes an opportunity to savor the flavors of Italy while nourishing your body. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing the art of healthy Italian cooking. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.